Welcome to this tutorial on Authorize Net Webhooks, a comprehensive guide to understanding the concept and its implementation. First, let's start with the basics. Authorize Net is a payment gateway that enables businesses to accept online payments. Webhooks, on the other hand, are notifications sent by Authorize Net to a merchant's server after a specific event occurs, such as a payment being made or a subscription being updated. To set up webhooks, you need to configure a URL on your server to receive these notifications. This URL is typically an API endpoint that can handle HTTP requests. Once set up, Authorize Net will send an HTTP POST request to the specified URL whenever an event occurs, providing relevant data about the event in the request body. The data sent by Authorize Net includes information about the event, such as the event type, the payment method, and any relevant transaction details. This information can be used to update your database, or to trigger other actions, such as sending a confirmation email to the customer. One of the key benefits of using webhooks is that they enable real-time notifications, allowing you to respond immediately to events as they occur. This can improve the customer experience, reduce the risk of disputes, and enhance the overall security of your payment processing system. To get started with Authorize Net webhooks, you need to create a webhook listener, which is a script that runs on your server and listens for incoming webhook notifications. This script should be able to parse the incoming request, extract the relevant data, and perform any necessary actions. Best practices for implementing webhooks include using secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt the data being sent, and verifying the authenticity of the incoming request to prevent spoofing attacks. It's also important to handle errors and exceptions properly, to ensure that your system remains stable and functional even in the event of a failure. In conclusion, Authorize Net webhooks provide a powerful way to receive real-time notifications about events related to your online payments. By understanding how webhooks work and implementing them effectively, you can improve the customer experience, reduce the risk of disputes, and enhance the overall security of your payment processing system. With this guide, you now have the knowledge to get started with Authorize Net webhooks and take your online payment processing to the next level.